Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, learn-claude-code, which boldly claims that Bash is all you need to build a powerful AI agent. This project demystifies how tools like Claude's code interpreter work by building one from scratch, making advanced AI concepts surprisingly accessible and showing the raw power of simple shell scripting. What if we've been thinking about building AI agents all wrong? What if, instead of trying to program intelligence with complicated rules, our job is just to build a better workshop for an intelligence that's already there? That's the core idea behind a fascinating new project on GitHub. That project is learn-claude-code, created by shareAI-lab. It's a TypeScript-based guide for building AI agent systems, and it's getting a lot of attention. Right now, it has over 41,000 stars, with more than 900 of those added in just the last day. The goal here is to teach a method the creators call harness engineering. It provides a clear, step-by-step path from a simple idea to a complex system of multiple agents working together. This project tackles a huge misconception in the industry. Many believe that building an AI agent is all about writing complex prompt chains and rigid rules. Developers get stuck in what you could call prompt plumbing, trying to force an LLM to be smart through fragile logic. The results are often brittle and just don't scale. Learn-claude-code proposes a totally different way of thinking. It argues that the large language model times is times the agent. The developer's job isn't to create intelligence from scratch. Instead, it's to build an efficient environment, a harness, that gives the model the tools and context it needs to get things done effectively. The project's architecture is a perfect example of this harness engineering philosophy. It all starts with a simple agent loop. This loop is pretty clever. It uses the tool use signal from the Claude API to switch between the model thinking and the code actually running tools, like a bash command. This simple trick turns the model from just a text generator into a real decision maker. But it doesn't stop there. The project then layers on more advanced mechanisms. For instance, it introduces subagents that each get their own clean context, which helps avoid conversational confusion. It also builds a persistent task system using simple files, allowing agents to manage complex long-running goals. And for collaboration between agents, it uses a straightforward system of JSON mailboxes. These are basically shared text files that agents use to pass messages back and forth asynchronously. Finally, to prevent agents from stepping on each other's toes, it implements worktree isolation. This idea, borrowed from Git, gives each agent its own private, sandbox directory to work in. So, who is this really for? It's aimed at software developers and AI engineers who want to move beyond basic API calls and start building truly robust, scalable agent systems. The 12-lesson, step-by-step format makes it a fantastic educational tool. An architect could use these patterns to figure out how to integrate autonomous agents into their own software. A developer can literally follow along, starting with just one file and finishing with a fully functioning team of agents. The best part? The barrier to entry is quite low. All you need is a text editor, Python, and an API key to start exploring these powerful ideas. But, as brilliant as this educational design is, there are some major risks if you were to use it carelessly in a production environment. For one, its core idea of bash is all you need gives the AI direct access to the command line shell. The project doesn't include rigorous sandboxing, and that's a serious security vulnerability. On top of that, the file-based systems it uses for tasks and communication aren't built for high-traffic production use. They'd need to be replaced with proper databases and message queues. And finally, the whole design is very tightly coupled to the Claude API, so switching to a different model would mean a major rewrite. Learn-claude-code's real value isn't as a production-ready framework. It's as a powerful, paradigm-shifting educational tool. It teaches developers a new mindset. Stop trying to program intelligence and start building effective environments where intelligence can flourish on its own. This project is an absolute must-see for anyone serious about building the next generation of AI applications.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.